when you put your hand in front of it, and the hardest part was finding the eyes.
Finding the eyes, okay.
And the easiest part was making the
legs?
legs. Because that's chairs.
Preston, do you like your project?
Yes.
Why do you like your project?
Because I like music.
I like music. Preston, is there anything you want to say? Preston, is there anything you want to say?
No?
Okay, you're done.
I'm just still playing.